guys, welcome back for a quick how-to video. This is going to be a maintenance video for something that only comes up every, I'll say, several years. If you got an FJR more than several years old, you're going to notice that the foam seal around your glove box lid here is deteriorating. Now, I extended the life of this a long time ago by trying to apply products to it. I tried some waxes and polishes and white lithium grease. That's why there's a bunch of dried white gunk on it right now, but nothing really solved the problem of the foam itself, just getting brittle and falling apart. And what happens is the rainwater and everything would start to leak through, and I would notice wet things in here. So that's no bueno. So we are not going to be spending the stupid money for the Yamaha part for this little piece of foam. We are going to spend just $4 and change off of Amazon and get a big old roll of it, and you're going to be good for the life of your bike, because that's enough to do like at least 3. Now the stock seam is down here at the bottom, and that's where you want to put the new one, because the water is not going to be leaking in as it's sloped down on this side. So make sure you have a contiguous bead of it all the way around the top here. That's the critical side of it. So I'm going to just take this off, use a little Goo Gone and alcohol, totally clean the surface, and stick on our new foam. There we go, clean enough. There's a tiny little bit of residue left here and there, but the surface is smooth, definitely good enough. What I found is just using a little bit here, get in there and scrape it. Took the base foam out really quickly. Of course, most of it came out in chunks, and then just a rag and some alcohol. Scrubbing in the slot there, took off everything else. There we go, new one laid in place. Let's snip it to length. And there we go, that is better than new, because this is much thicker, more resilient foam. Totally normal fit. Just make sure it's in the grooves there. This is 8 millimeters wide foam if you want to try to find it somewhere else, and it's 3 millimeters tall. Works like a charm. That's it. I'll put a link down below. See you next time.